still gotta install the oil cooler or oil relocator kit with the gauge. They're here. It goes from there. Everything is coming along. I still gotta do the exhaust, finish it up. This wire should go down here somewhere. Put it back there somewhere. All right. And then, like I was telling you guys, the cooler right there, cooler line running this way down to here. Still gotta tighten that up. I'm gonna put some of that stuff for the heat shield wrap on here, just so we can, keep it from burning up a little bit. But yeah, everything else looks pretty good. I heat wrapped the starter. Still got to do a couple mods on it. Yeah, she's coming along, guys. She's coming along. Because good things will come. If you put a positive mind to it, you can achieve lots of things. Like me, I'm about to get this done soon. You guys gonna see a ripping, and we're gonna get some sliding. Who's down for some sliding? Like, subscribe, comment, see what's up. And New York, Philly, we're coming. Just gonna be sliding, baby. All right, so the wire for the throttle, I'm gonna put the one from the S15 because this one's not long enough. So you guys can see it's like shorter. This is the original one. So we're gonna use the one from the S14 and put it on this car. Yep, let's do that next. All right, so I ran the throttle wire. Fit perfect. Came out pretty good. I just ran it like that. The fuel filter I had to mess with a little bit. I had to put a little spacer right there. Move that wire real quick. So I put a spacer right there to still have a ground. That's what I put it at. Maybe later on I'll put a few pressure regulator and redo the fuel system. But for now, just trying to enjoy for the summer and get her, on some shows and stuff. So that's what we are accomplishing here. We can't go crazy with a lot of things. So that's down the line. This is just a quick swap. So stay tuned, guys. All right, so I installed the catch can here. I installed the oil filter relocation over here. My fuel line started leaking over here. So I'm gonna try to start the car, put fuel and pressure in it, and see how everything's going, because I want to make sure this car starts and rips and never gives me a problem. So trying to find out what I need to get from the store and order online so I can keep going with this build. That's it. All right, so the computer's in. I put the computer components over there. No, esa no, pero esa no importa ahorita. All right, we're gonna... I don't hear the fuel pump going off. I don't hear no starter signal going on. All right, so for the fuel pump, I removed that cover that was underneath here. I had to move my amp to the back here. Put that little tire extinguisher there to hold that up. Disconnected the two wires that go to it. Took that thing out. Took that, they go through there, through that little thing. Now I'm gonna remove all those lines. Take that fuel pump out and then swap it out. Let's get it. All you gotta do is twist this off. A ver, quítate. Twist that off, and then make sure everything lines up this way. All right, so same thing as the 240 and the R34 and all the other JDM cars from Nissan. They have the same setup. So, yep, we're just gonna replace the pump and keep moving along. All right, so I installed the Walbro GS 341, made in the US. So I'm gonna put this in now. All right, big moment, first startup on this car. Cycle the key twice. Let's see if it starts this time. The last time we lost power. Still don't have power because my dummy didn't plug in the battery. All right, let's plug in the battery this time. All right, battery's plugged in this time. We got power. Let's see if it starts. So a lot of things don't fit from a left-hand drive car to a right-hand drive car, like the exhaust manifolds. You know, once you get into that, it's a whole story. I got them to fit, but I gotta still get some other stuff. But what I'm trying to tell you guys, I'm stressing about it. All right, so for some reason I'm not getting any fuel, so my fuel pump's not working. So I don't know. I gotta diagnose this thing. It's really frustrating because I got it to look like this. And I can't even start her because stupid fuel pump doesn't work. I might need to add more grounds too. What do you guys think? I got like a couple grounds. I might add another one just for the hell of it. One to the starter. All right, update. So I ran everything, how you guys see. Everything's looking good, but we're not looking so good because the car's not starting. It's blowing out fuses. I found the problem already. It's this this wiring here, this wiring harness here. It's not coated the right way, so it doesn't match some of the pins in the back of that. So what I gotta do, I printed out my a little printout here so I can the problem was that actually they gave me an S14 right-hand drive harness, and I needed an S15 right-hand drive. And that's why the pins don't match, but I'm not gonna wait. I'm just gonna repin them and see what happens. Get this bad boy on and get her started, hopefully today. Let's get it. This is such a pain in the butt because the wires ain't long enough, but I'm making it work. See how it goes. All right, we're gonna try to start it up this time. Cassie's gonna help me. She's gonna put some power to the ECU. Go ahead. And hold it. All right, turn it off. Yo! Ah, yeah, baby. She's on. Oh, that was it. Oh, I did it. We did it. You helped me. Oh, man, she sounded so good, too. Thank you, thank you, thank you. All right, guys, so we figured it out. She's running. I'm so happy. Oh, God, it's good. Now I just gotta do the wiring here now. Finish it up. Yeah. All right, guys, so remember the mess that we had over here? It's gone. It's not perfect here because the ECU pushes up on this a little bit. It's behind there, but everything's there. I have my fuses here, my relays, everything accessible. And that's my OBD 2-port for now. But yeah, I gotta get a new one of these. This one's scratched up. Or do something with this one. We'll figure it out. But yeah, everything came out pretty good. I like how it came out. Doesn't look too bad. Now I just have to finish up all the body panels. I gotta put the wipers in, wiper motor, hook up the wiring, and then everything else we're just gonna tuck in somewhere, hide it. Stay tuned. Oh yeah, she's alive. Yeah, so I ran into an issue now that the car is leaking oil from the rear main, and it just doesn't want to start right. I don't know what's going on. It used to start perfectly fine. Have a few leaks. I have to order a few fittings. So right now what we're gonna do, we're gonna put some wheels on it. We're gonna roll it to a more shaded area. This right here is brutal. So let's get it. I hope I don't have to take the engine out again. I just hate my life right now. So just letting you guys know. All right, we're gonna take her inside because I'm tired of this freaking car. All right, almost lost it there. All right, she's officially down. We clear here because we had issues before with the other rims where I popped my bags. I don't know if you guys remember the video, but we were on the ground. Now I'm just gonna push her inside the house. Still looks so nice. Just like that. She is a bad girl. Bad girl. She looks so sexy though. Oh boy. So sexy. So much work. Alright, so I'm preparing my portable lift. Bought this thing on Facebook Marketplace, brand new, unboxing everything. Didn't come with these fittings. Called the place Quick Jack and told them, you know, didn't come with a fitting, you know. They said they were gonna send them to me, but then they said that they couldn't because the warranty was void because I bought it off of somebody, brand new. That doesn't make sense, but whatever. I finally got my fittings. Now I'm getting ready to fix the oil leak that I found on this car after putting everything together. So let's get it on. First attempt on pulling it up. Yeah. All right, this Quick Jack is awesome. We're in. It's car's up. Everything is beautiful. So that's as high as it goes, but that's it's pretty stable too. You ain't gonna, it's all locked in. Perfect, huh? Alright, so I have a couple bad grounds and I need more power to the starter, but